sustainable food security and rural prosperity. Therefore, IFS offers a solution to many challenges faced by our farmers, especially in regions with limited resources and fragmented,
which is the only legal way for adopting children in India. To know more about child adoption, we encourage you to log in to www.kara.nic.in or visit government-run specialized adoption agency at Upper Wadanang, Tura. 1098 is a toll-free 24/7 emergency helpline number available for children in distress, providing support, care, and protection. If any concerned person needs to report or seek help regarding
Our second tableau is from the District Agriculture Office, West Garo Hills, Tura, under the theme Integrated Farming System. On this Republic Day, the tableau of the District Agriculture Office represents the concept of integrated farming system, a holistic and sustainable approach to agriculture that enables security and transparency. In future, all the social security benefits of unorganized workers will be delivered through this portal. In emergency and national pandemic-like situations, this database may be utilized for assistance. The registration can be done by visiting
District Commerce and Industry Center, Tura, hereby presents a tableau showcasing the various schemes and programs for promoting MSMEs, also facilitating marketing through exhibitions, border hearts, and land custom stations.
Here comes the tableau from the District Tuberculosis Center, West Garo Hills, Tura, with the theme 100 Days campaign that started from December 7th, 2024 till 17th March.
We have a wonderful lineup of performances in between the award distributions that highlight the spirit and significance of this special day. It is my pleasure to introduce the first cultural program of the day. We have the vibrant and energetic Wangala dance performed by the Dokaku group. Please join me in giving them a warm round of applause as they come forward.
Differences into account so everyone has a chance to succeed. In the tableau, we have a role play going on based on gender inequality. Here we see the parents working for their daily wages, daughter being aware of the importance of education is trying to study.
Employment opportunities across the district. With these efforts, the department remains committed to fostering sustainable fisheries and enhancing the prosperity of our people.
Safe Motherhood Scheme, wherein over 3 lakh transportation, diagnostics and delivery services. We are taking healthcare services closer to the people. New FRUs have been completed. Belpara, Ranikor.
Line number 1962, strengthening livestock health, strengthens livelihood with the unique model of integrated emergency veterinary response service.